what I do. Well. I gotta take a picture of me walking the plank.
Why are you trying to break it?
No, Mike, put the plank where we can see it. And make a scared face. We'll be all like, No, you gotta look at it.
Matt, you just threw water on yourself.
No!
Come on, Dad. She's playing.
Come on, Dad.
No, I'm playing.
What's wrong? You're just being a daddy.
No. Beck, tell Becca not to take pictures.
Becca, you promised not to take pictures, right?
I promise. What's your name?
Daddy?
And what are you doing?
I'm squishy.
You're squishy. Can you smile for me? Please? Can you smile? That's not a big smile.